Namrata Global, your reliable partner for the premium quality PP mats. In this video we will look after the manufacturing process of polypropylene mats. Manufacturing process of polypropylene mats typically involves the following steps: raw material preparation, extrusion, chopping, weaving, cutting, finishing, stitching, and packaging. PP mats manufacturing process involves semi-automatic or fully automatic machinery to execute various processes to arrive at finished goods. First stage is raw material preparation. The first step in raw material preparation is the selection of high-quality polypropylene granules. These granules chosen based on their properties such as density, melt flow rate, and tensile strength. The granules are then inspected for any impurities or defects that could affect the quality of the final product. Once the polypropylene granules are selected, they are then mixed with a master batch or pigment in a tumbler mixer. The mixing process is important to ensure that the color is evenly distributed throughout the material and that the final product has a consistent appearance. The mixed granules are then made ready for the extrusion process, which is second stage in manufacturing of PP mats. Second stage is extrusion. The extrusion process is a critical step in the manufacturing of polypropylene mats. This process involves the conversion of polypropylene granules into a continuous flat sheet of the desired thickness. The process starts with the polypropylene granules being fed into an extruder. The granules are melted and mixed to form a uniform molten mass. The molten mass is then forced through a die, which gives the material its desired shape and thickness. The die is typically made of steel and is designed to shape the material with high accuracy and consistency. The extruded sheet is then cooled down and trimmed to the required size. The extrusion process is critical to the quality and consistency of the final product. Factors such as the temperature, pressure, and rate of extrusion can all affect the properties of the polypropylene material, such as its strength, durability, and appearance. Therefore, it is important to carefully control these parameters to ensure that the final product meets the required specifications. Third stage is chopping. Chopping is the process where extruded sheets are fed into a chopping machine, which uses rotating blades to cut the sheet into small fibers of the desired length. The length of the fibers depends on the specific requirements of the final product, such as the thickness and density of the mat. Fourth stage is weaving. Weaving process involves taking the extruded polypropylene tubes and weaving them with polypropylene filament yarn to create the mat surface. The process starts with the extruded tubes being fed into the weaving machine. The weaving machine selects the tubes based on the desired pattern and feeds them through a series of interlocking needles. The polypropylene filament yarn is then woven through the tubes to create the mat surface. The weaving process creates a mat that is durable, slip-resistant, and easy to clean. The mat's thickness, density, and surface texture can be adjusted by varying the size of the tubes and the number and density of the yarn weaves. Overall, the weaving process is critical to the quality and consistency of the final product. Proper control of the weaving machine's speed, tension, and positioning is necessary to ensure that the mat surface is even and free of defects. Fifth stage is cutting. Weaving machines produces mats in roll form and later these rolls are cut in desired size and shape to meet the specific requirements of the end-use application. In the manufacturing process of polypropylene mats, cutting is typically done using a hot sealing machine. The woven PP mats are rolled onto a large spool, and then the spool is mounted onto a hot sealing machine. The machine cuts the mats into the desired size and shape, and simultaneously seals the edges to prevent fraying. The cutting process is followed by an inspection for faults, rectification if required, sewing machine and border tape stitching work on both the sealed ends. Sixth stage is packaging. Packaging is the process where finished mats are packed in attractive plastic printed bag and stored in a controlled environment until it is ready to be shipped to the customer. The manufacturing process of polypropylene mats may vary slightly depending on the type of mat being produced and the specific requirements of the end-use application. Overall, the PP manufacturing process involves various steps and technologies, each of which is essential for creating a high-quality and functional product. Namrata Global is dedicated to delivering premium quality PP mats that cater to the specific needs of our customers. We make every effort to ensure that our mats meet the highest standards of quality and functionality, providing our clients with the best possible value for their investment. Namrata Global, your reliable partner for the premium quality PP mats.